We're a band called Set the Score. We're based here in Wicklow and Ireland. A group of young lads with a bit of a clue, not a lot but a bit. So thanks a million for having us here now today. It's been a pleasure. well. It's not the way just yet. Now, they must be quite stuck if they're keeping us here for 10 more minutes. I see. That's not right. So now we have the plan for this, so please allow me. But I'm just going to look at you and hope that he starts playing. Thanks.
Yeah, they were all fucking the shit out of me. They were all the equipment set up and everything. We were ready. So we were ready for the party. They said, whatever they wanted, we were ready. See this guy here, the red hair.